Hi, welcome back. Now that you have formed a team with a team leader and the team members, the next thing the team leader need to know is some of the guidelines how he can manage the team. First of all, we have created an activity board which provided these particular segments in a board, either whiteboard or a chipboard, display in a place where team members can view it. Here are the segments that you need to provide for 12 steps in the DMAIC process. The size of it should allow an A4 size paper paste on it or slot in a pocket. The name of the 12 steps need to follow this way. Then the additional segments is meant for communication steps, team photos, team attendance, and some of the sketches and so on. Now please provide a team name for your project. After you have done this, then the next thing you need to understand is you need to hold project meeting between you and your team member, and also between your team member and myself. These are some of the roles and responsibility of the team. The next thing you need to understand as a team leader is, in order to control the meeting effectively, this is the checklist for the team leader to understand what to prepare few days before the actual meeting and during the actual meeting. Hopefully this list will provide you a guideline how to manage the team better. The next thing is each team meetings require a record. This record is either written in the minutes of meeting. Important thing is item number, matter discussed or action item, action taken by whom. This action taken by who is the person's name. We need only one name. Deadline or when it is done. The next item you need to understand is we need to collect the attendance of team members. Remember, we have two categories of team members. One is active member, one is specialized or specialist members. Now, specialist members are not required to be taken as a calculation for the target of 85% attendance. The reason is that those specialists are not a permanent member, and therefore we do not want them to either inflate or deflate the attendance percentage. The question is, why not 100%? The reason is we allow some emergencies among the members, so we do not want, because of 100%, we force the team member to attend. The last one is the milestone chart. This milestone chart is just a particular sample. You will get an actual template from the template section of these mobile apps. Now those are the 6 activity guidelines to manage a team. See you in the next video.